Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I will show you how you can add music on your Instagram notes. The new Instagram feature will be mind-blowing. So in today's video I will show you how you can do that. So first of all guys, you need to upgrade your Instagram application from your App Store or from Google Play Store. Now open your Instagram app, click on this little bit DM icon here and you can tap on your notes. Guys, remember that you need to upgrade your Instagram application once to use this feature. Now in here show thoughts option, you can type whatever you want, like to showcase your text on your notes. Just I here type hi man, and now you can tap on this little champ music icon to add music on your Instagram notes. Here you can see lots of music will be shown in the list, but you can choose whatever you want by searching in this search menu bar. Now you can type whatever you want and select any music, and you can set 13 seconds of time duration. Like you can choose the duration between this timeline and click on the done button when you done it. So now your file is ready. Your music will be added to your notes, but keep in mind that you can share this not with your close friend, or if you try to share this with your followers, so tap on it and choose follower you follow back. But I choose right now close friend to showcase this note to you. After that you can tap on this share icon to share this music with your friends, colleague, or you can understand what I mean. Now tap on this and your music will be look like this, and you can share whatever you want. So I hope guys you understand this and know how to add this music. But if you think you need to remove this note or you want to remove this music, just tap on it and press the delete note button to remove from your notes app. I hope guys this video will be helpful to you.